Hey guys, your phone will die if you update to iOS 26 and don't do these 3 things I'm telling you. I told you the most important thing at the end of the video. If you have the new iOS 26, here are hidden features that are absolutely underrated. In this video, I would like to show you some tips and tricks, as well as shortcuts, that will help you get even more want to talk about the iPhone hidden features in iOS 26 tips responses. And if you're interested in videos like this one with tips and tricks for the iPhone and other Apple products, my channel is exactly the right one for you. So feel free to subscribe now. Let's start the video. The iPhone Photos app shares your data, and Apple secretly enabled this feature without asking you first. We will stop this together now. To do this, open the iPhone settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on Apps. Here we have to click on the letter at the very bottom. Search for Photos app, then we press Photos. Next, you have to scroll all the way down. You should immediately disable the advanced visual search because this feature analyzes your image data and sends it to Apple servers. And don't worry, you can still see where you took your iPhone photos. And in addition, the visual search for landmarks, for example, will still be activated in the future. It is important that you always make sure that you remove the exact location before forwarding your iPhone photos. To do this, we click on Options. Next, we deactivate the location. We confirm this by clicking on the check mark in the top right corner. Now your image will be shared without location. Speaking of sharing, share this video now with all the other iPhone users who absolutely need to know. Sorry Apple, but I don't pay for iCloud. Is your iPhone storage full again? In most cases, this is due to your photos and videos, as these are the ones that consume the most storage for 99% of iPhone users. But Apple has integrated an extremely practical feature directly into the Photos app. Just scroll down until you find duplicates. There, your iPhone automatically shows you photos and videos that have been saved multiple times. You can easily merge them by tapping Merge 2 exact copies. This saves you valuable storage space without having to delete anything. If you see a particularly large number of duplicates, there is an even faster solution. Tap Select in the top right, then tap All in the top left. Now you have to click on Merge at the bottom. A selection will then appear. You can choose between only exact copies and all objects. Finally, you have to confirm the selection one last time, and all duplicates will be automatically merged for your iPhone, and you will be surprised how much storage space will suddenly be freed up. But that's not all. There's only one professional way to free up a lot of storage space on your iPhone without paying almost $10 every month for additional iCloud storage. All iPhones have a hidden space where no matter how many photos and videos you put there, neither your phone's memory nor your iCloud space will fill up. In fact, you have unlimited space. First, I'll show you my phone's memory. As you can see, 171 GB of my phone's memory is filled. Now we'll go into the Photos app, select the photos and videos. Tap the lion option from the bottom and select the Add to Shared Album option. We'll give our album a name and tap the Create option. Now I'll delete the photos and videos we selected from Photos, and I'll also go into Recently Deleted and delete them from there. Look at my phone's memory now. How many gigabytes have been freed up, and the photos have actually been deleted from my phone, but they are still there. I'm going back to Photos. I choose the collection. I'm playing the album. I choose Lion, and here is the album we made, along with the photos and videos we chose. This way, you can put 5,000 photos and videos in an album without filling up your phone's memory or taking up space on your iCloud. The only difference is that the photos are not full resolution, which you won't notice at all. If you knew this, hit follow because we have a lot of these awesome videos. So, I hope if this helped you. That's it. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more similar videos, and then we'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.